Okay, KTMs, especially the Huskies and Gas, all the same. They run a tiny little filter in here, and it's played up on me a couple of times, and I've wondered why the thing won't idle. It does all sorts of strange things, loses power. Figured it out eventually. You can run without the little filter in there. Obviously it's not good long term, but if you're in the bush and it happens and your bike's playing up, the best thing to do is to remove that. Trouble is, it's really hard to remove. It's so tiny. So people have asked me why I'm carrying a little screw in the. I push it into the bar pad. Well, it's basically to get this little sucker out of here. These can be really tight as well, like here. Whoa, okay, so in this end here, as you can see, with this little screw you can remove it. It's tiny, but it causes so many dramas, or it can do. Keep a few spares in your toolbox, in your bum bag maybe, but removing it and riding is fine. When the bike's new, I've noticed that they seem to gum up pretty quickly, so I only run the thing for a very short time and replace these. But it's just a little tip to have somewhere to put it. So when you're in the bush you can get that thing out, but it is hard to get out without a little something like that. See how easy it is?